If you own a dog or are planning to purchase a dog, there are some facts the Delaware SPCA and the City of Wilmington want you to know. City dogs must be licensed. Currently, licenses are only available at the Delaware Humane Association on A Street. And in order to obtain a license, owners must bring proof of a rabies vaccination. Also, there's a cost for a 1-year license and 3-year license. In the city, dogs are to be on a leash. Fecal matter must be removed immediately in a sanitary manner in an airtight bag or other closed container and deposited in a trash receptacle. Violations are punishable by fines ranging from $250 to $1,000. If you have a pit bull, the rules are the same, but there are a few exceptions. The owner must be 21 years old. Pit bulls must be licensed and registered. Cost is $30, which is good for the life of the dog. These dogs must be neutered. Delaware SPCA offers free spay-neuter for pit bulls owned by city residents. Pit bull breeding is prohibited. Pit bulls must be on a leash not to exceed 6 feet in length and must be muzzled in city parks. For more information on the City of Wilmington Animal Ordinance, check the city website at wilmingtonde.gov.